Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your face into a 3D cartoon character by using EPIK photo editor. So in here I've already on the EPIK apps, and on the homepage you can easily find the AI cartoon options, and to use it just click on the options and then choose a portrait. Okay, so let's say I want to use this photos right here, so just click on the photo, and in here you'll easily found the cartoon option. And to change your face into a 3D cartoon character, just swipe and select the 3D character, click on that. Just wait for EPIK to processing the AI, and that's it. So this is the before and here is the after. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.